Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again and we're gonna do a little quick look using Yoyo from Makeup by Yolondo. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're ready to go. Let's go to here. We'll fix it. So I've already had my lids prime. We're gonna use this palette. So I'm gonna go into this dark shade right here. Unfortunately, these palettes do not have names for the shades, but it's all good. We'll make it work. We always do. Let's use this 209 from Makeup by Yolondo, and then we're gonna go into shade. As I said, we're gonna go into this dark shade right here. I've never used this palette before. I'm really not in the recording mood today, but I have something else coming up. I'm gonna have to take a break, so I have to make sure that I have videos recorded. It's like there's always something, always, with me going on. Now we're gonna go into this shade right here called no name. I know why I'm saying called, and we'll put that. Actually, before I do this, I'm gonna use a clean brush and I'm just gonna buff the edges. This is a 204 for Makeup by Yolondo. Okay, let's clean the brush. Now we're gonna go into this shade. This is more kind of just like fixing up the edges. And just remember guys, like, don't be too worried that you have to go back, because that's how it works with like makeup. It's like something you just can't get the shape or shade as you want it, and you just go back. Okay, let me cut that crease. No oil up here. It's fine, I can just use my cleanser. Okay, now we're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna use B Base from Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know what I'm gonna put there. I'm just gonna put just a little bit of that light shade that I put all the way up, just to like give, because I am gonna put some kind of shimmer there, just to give that a base. So if you want, you can skip that step, but that step works for me, so we're doing it. We're doing it. Ooh, I don't know what to put in there. You know, I have to use this palette in like forever, so I'm gonna put that yellow, which is this shade right here. Just, we'll see how that looks. I'm so sleepy. I don't know why I'm so sleepy. Because, you know, as I said in my previous video, I had surgery like a month ago now, but I haven't taken like meds in a couple of weeks, maybe a week. I try not to take meds too often, but you know, sometimes Sometimes I need the meds, so it just happens that way, you know. Try not to take it, but sometimes I need it. I prefer if I don't take it at all, but some days I can't, you know, go without it. So, but I didn't take it today, so not sure why I feel so whoopy. And let's go back to that real dark shade. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Eyebrows. Eyes are done and then lashes are put on. Today I'm gonna actually test this. This is a new foundation. Yeah, it says hydrating foundation that I got from Ulta, and it's Effortless and it's medium coverage. I've been wanting to try this for a minute, but I don't really try that much foundations because if I get something that works for me, then that's what I'm using, you know. So we're gonna test that all. Take off my earrings because I'm trying to get that dirty. I mean, let's see if we can build it up a little bit. Not too much because I don't want to go too crazy, but I mean it's okay. I just don't feel like it's like, this is not the foundation that you literally was waiting for, if you know what I mean, you know, like it's not revolutionary, like, but it feels light, so I guess it could be a good everyday foundation. Or maybe during the day when you don't want something like super heavy, maybe this would do, but I don't know. Let's see. Okay, where did I put my concealers? Because I tried to organize these like a little bit. It's not perfect by any means, but I tried. So I'm going to use my ABH concealer. Let's use this Shein thingy again. Where is the cover? Can't find it. This will work. This is a what? A 417 for Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know why I put that one. And let us blend this concealer. Get my sponge. Let's do another Makeup by Yolondo scenario. What up with the rhyming? No idea. And my Tati sponge. I'm gonna use my powder that's almost done. I'm gonna try this. I just got this just like huge powder brushes from It Cosmetics. Let's put some base under the eye. Okay, let's go in that really dark shade. Okay, now we're gonna dust the powder, dust the shadow first, because I do have some fallouts, like right here, look. I'm gonna take that purple shade and I'm just gonna kind of try to like clean this up a little bit, because find anything there. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's on the right direction. And I'm gonna use Black Currant from Marc Jacobs. So much noise. Not even sure what fell. I think I want to put like a little bit of green, maybe. Maybe this shade right here called Arsenic. Just a little bit. That is it, that is it, that is it. We're almost done, we are almost done. Okay, let's bronze the face, let's bronze the face, let's bronze the face. This is already right here, so that's the bronzer we're using. I just like put all my bronzer brushes away because, you know, I'm trying to do a little bit of a cleanup. So let's use this one right here. This is the E5 from Morphe. And then let's use blush. Let's use this brush for blush. Let's use this. Let's use Coral from Beauty Bay. And let's put some highlighter, and let's use this from Kylie, one of her highlighters, Dreaming of Diamonds. What are we gonna put on the lips? What are we gonna put on the lips? I don't know, let's see. If I get a lip liner, maybe something dark. Let's use this from Huda Beauty. Which one is this? Very Berry. And this is What Manhattan from Makeup by Yolondo. Okay, yeah, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun, you know, testing out the few new pieces that I got, you know, that palette from Makeup by Yolondo, that new foundation from Ulta. I know these are not new, but they are new to me. So that's how, you know, that's why I say I'm testing out some new products. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know what, join the family, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.